Get ready to witness the most insane snow removal machines in action, operating at a level that seems almost unreal. This video showcases equipment that tackles massive snowfalls with incredible power and precision, from high-speed airport sweepers to compact plows handling tight spaces. You'll see how advanced engineering, raw strength, and smart technology work together to clear runways, roads, and ski slopes faster than ever. These machines handle snow depths that would stop ordinary equipment, demonstrating unmatched efficiency, speed, and versatility. Every operation shows how modern snow removal reaches extreme performance, transforming winter chaos into safe, clear surfaces in minutes. Prinoth Leitwolf. The Prinoth Leitwolf is a snow groomer built to dominate even the harshest winter conditions, combining raw power with cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a 530 horsepower engine and 2,600 Nm of torque, it handles steep, icy slopes effortlessly while offering eco-friendly fuel options like HVO or GTL. Its patented parallel offset tiller shifts up to 45 cm from center, allowing wide area grooming in fewer passes, and its adjustable suspension ensures stability across any terrain. Designed for ski resorts, cross-country tracks, and snowparks, the Leitwolf's wide working width and advanced digital controls make slope preparation faster and more precise than ever. Operators can navigate challenging conditions with ease, maximizing efficiency without compromising quality. From snow-packed mountains to intricate park layouts, the Leitwolf redefines what's possible in snow grooming, blending power, precision, and innovative design into a single, unstoppable machine. Ski resorts relying on perfect slopes will find it indispensable. PistenBully 800. The PistenBully 800 is a snow groomer designed to dominate slopes with unmatched power and precision. Powered by a 612 horsepower 6-cylinder MAN engine producing 2,900 Nm of torque, it moves massive amounts of snow effortlessly while maintaining fuel efficiency. Its extended chassis with 5 running axles ensures smooth rides, excellent traction, and surprising agility for a machine of its size. The nearly 6-meter wide all-way blade allows operators to shape slopes in a single pass, while the modern cab with ergonomic joystick and 10-inch i-terminal display makes long grooming sessions comfortable and intuitive. Advanced systems like Auto Tracer, Slope Tracer, and SnowSat snow depth measurement provide real-time guidance, enabling precise, efficient snow coverage. Built for ski resorts and steep terrain, the PistenBully 800 blends raw power, cutting-edge technology, and intelligent controls, ensuring every slope is perfectly prepared. This snow giant redefines winter grooming and keeps resorts running at peak performance. Schmidt FS HP. The Schmidt FS HP is a high-performance snow removal attachment built to handle extreme winter conditions with precision and power. Designed by Aebi Schmidt Group, it mounts on carrier vehicles with 75 to 300 horsepower, making it versatile for city streets, highways, and airport runways. Its 2-stage snow cutting system uses slow-running twin-cutter drums to gather snow and feed it into a fast-spinning impeller, which throws snow far away with exact control via a hydraulically adjustable chute. Clearing widths range from 1.6 meter to 2.65 meter, allowing operators to tackle narrow streets or wide-open areas efficiently. Constructed from wear-resistant materials, the FS-HP stands up to heavy, continuous use without compromise. With its combination of raw power, precise snow handling, and adaptable design, the FS-HP turns massive snowfall into cleared, safe surfaces quickly. Winter crews and contractors rely on this attachment to maintain roads, runways, and public spaces in peak condition throughout the harshest seasons. Overasen NLR Relax. The Overasen NLR Relax is a professional snowplow designed to make winter clearing faster, smoother, and more precise. Featuring the patented smooth motion mechanism, its wings turn softly, while the floating blade system moves vertically and horizontally to follow uneven surfaces, ensuring no snow or ice is left behind. With working widths from 3.0 meter up to 4.0 meter or more, it efficiently clears streets, parking lots, and industrial yards in fewer passes. The Relax system allows operators to work sideways or even in reverse, making it extremely versatile for tight spaces and edges. Compatible with tractors and wheel loaders, the NLR Relax handles both regular and irregular terrain with ease, maintaining safety and cleanliness even in heavy snowfall. Built by Overasen with over a century of snow clearing expertise, this plow combines innovation, durability, and precision, transforming chaotic winter surfaces into smooth, safe areas quickly and reliably. It's a true powerhouse for professional snow management. Larue T80. The Larue T80 is a self-propelled snowblower built to tackle extreme winter conditions with unmatched power and speed. Designed by J.A. Larue Incorporated, this machine clears up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour and can throw it as far as 130 feet, making it ideal for mountain passes, highways, and storm-hit areas. Powered by a Cat C18 diesel engine producing 755 horsepower and over 2,500 pound-feet of torque, the T80 handles heavy drifts and tough terrain effortlessly. Its 4x4 permanent drive, hydrostatic transmission, and rugged chassis allow fast, reliable movement, reaching up to 47 miles per hour on roads. Operators benefit from the high-visibility Opticab, ergonomic joystick, LED lighting, and heated comfort features for safer, more efficient long shifts. With massive clearing capacity, powerful engine, and smart operator design, the Larue T80 turns chaotic snowstorms into cleared, safe surfaces quickly, proving itself as a high-performance winter warrior for extreme snow removal operations. RPM Tech MPC-750. The RPM Tech MPC-750 is a self-propelled snowblower built to tackle extreme winter conditions with unmatched capacity and efficiency. Powered by a single Cat C18 engine producing 772 horsepower, it can move up to 5,200 tons of snow per hour, making it ideal for highways, airports, and heavy municipal routes. Its simplified emissions system, relying on DOCI and EGR instead of SCR, DEF, or DPF, reduces downtime and maximizes operational time. The reversible ribbon and impeller let operators clear jams instantly, while the compact modular chassis allows attachment changes in under 30 minutes, including plows, front brooms, or air blast systems. Designed for rapid, high-capacity snow clearing, the MPC-750 combines raw power, smart engineering, and durability to handle the harshest storms. With massive snow-moving ability, efficient maintenance, and versatile attachments, it transforms chaotic, snow-packed areas into safe, cleared surfaces quickly, proving itself as a top-tier winter workhorse for professional snow crews. Aebi Schmidt Beilhack. The Aebi Schmidt Beilhack series is a specialized snow removal powerhouse built to keep railways running in the harshest winter conditions. Mounted on rail chassis, these machines clear entire track corridors in a single pass using powerful rotary blowers and high transport speeds. Models like the HB 1100S weigh around 80 tons, deliver roughly 1470 kilowatt of power, and can move up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour, ensuring heavy snowfall doesn't halt rail traffic. Tested on steep gradients and extreme conditions, they handle braking, acoustics, and real-world performance with precision. The Beilhack range includes attachments such as track-clearing plows, blower heads, ice cutters, and rail switch sweepers, allowing versatile operation across rail infrastructure. Backed by nearly 150 years of snow-clearing expertise through the Aebi Schmidt Group, these rail giants combine raw power, reliability, and advanced design. They ensure safe, clear tracks year-round, making them essential for professional winter rail maintenance and a true engineering marvel. Prinoth BISON. The Prinoth BISON is a professional snow groomer designed to dominate slopes, parks, and trails with unmatched power and precision. Its Caterpillar C9.3B engine produces 422 horsepower and 1399 feet-pound of torque, allowing it to climb steep terrain and push heavy snow effortlessly while meeting low emission standards and running on alternative fuels like HVO, GTL, and BTL. Versatility is a standout feature. Equipped with park blades, master blades, and powerful tillers, it can shape terrain, flatten slopes, and prepare Nordic tracks efficiently. The advanced automatic winch with multi-mode control and optional transport cabin makes grooming on steep or technical terrain safer and more precise. Inside the cab, the Prinoth control unit, ergonomic joystick, and heated, adjustable seating provide comfort and full operational control. Designed for demanding snow tasks, the BISON merges raw power, advanced controls, and versatility, establishing itself as a top-tier machine for shaping slopes, parks, and trails. Overasen RS 600. The Overasen RS 600 performance line is a colossal airport snow sweeper built to handle the largest runways and taxiways with unmatched efficiency. Measuring about 23 meter long, 4 meter tall, and clearing up to 7.5 meter in a single pass, it can sweep roughly 488,000 square meters per hour, reducing the number of machines needed for major airports. Powered by a Volvo Stage Vive engine delivering 543 horsepower, the RS 600 combines raw power with advanced aerodynamics, hydraulics, and intuitive controls for smooth operation in extreme winter conditions. Service access is designed for ease, and it's prepared for driver assist or fully autonomous operation, bringing cutting-edge technology to airport snow management. Its performance line design maximizes productivity while keeping runways clear and safe. With enormous size, high capacity, and smart systems, the Overasen RS 600 sets a new standard for airport snow removal, ensuring that winter storms never slow down critical aviation operations. Larue D97. The Larue D97 is a loader-mounted single-stage snowblower built to tackle massive snow piles at airports, dump sites, and industrial winter operations. With a performance capacity of up to 8,500 tons per hour, it can throw snow as high as 120 feet, clearing work areas quickly and efficiently. Powered by a Caterpillar C27 or C32 engine delivering 1050 to 1200 horsepower, the D97 combines extreme power with mobility, while its 1.8-meter Hardox-rated impeller chews through dense snow effortlessly. Designed for operator safety and productivity, it features joystick controls, LCD displays, and easy maintenance access, allowing crews to focus on snow clearing without interruption. Its rugged build and high-capacity performance make it ideal for heavy-duty snow removal tasks where speed and efficiency are crucial. The Larue D97 transforms winter chaos into clear, safe surfaces, making it a legendary machine for professional snow operations and extreme winter environments. TechnoAlpin TT10. The TechnoAlpin TT10 is a next-generation snowmaking machine built to deliver perfect powder for ski resorts and winter parks. Standing 4.1 meter tall and weighing 790 kilograms, it features a tiltable tower design, allowing technicians to access the nozzle ring and motor from ground level, simplifying maintenance. Equipped with advanced nozzle valve technology, dual Ruby insert nucleators, and a powerful air cooling system, the TT10 produces consistent high-quality snow even at borderline temperatures. Its adjustable rotation and tilt cover a wide snowmaking radius, and optional touchscreen controls or integrated weather stations let resorts customize operations. Combining efficiency, durability, and innovation, this fan snow gun transforms water and cold air into flawless snow quickly. Built by TechnoAlpin, a leader in snowmaking technology, the TT10 blends high-capacity performance with user-friendly design, making it essential for modern winter operations. With smart engineering and precise snow output, it keeps slopes and parks in peak condition throughout the season. PistenBully 600E+. The PistenBully 600E+ is a next-generation snow groomer combining diesel-electric power with smart, sustainable engineering. Equipped with a Cummins X12 six-cylinder engine delivering 382 kilowatt, it complies with EU Stage 5 and EPA Tier 4F emissions regulations and reduces fuel consumption by around 20%. Its diesel-electric drive delivers constant high torque and 16% more thrust on steep slopes, ensuring precise grooming on any terrain. Equipped with the all-way blade, advanced assist systems like Auto Tracer and Slope Tracer, and SnowSat snow depth measurement, it provides perfect slope preparation with efficiency and accuracy. The ergonomic cab features the iTerminal touchscreen and intuitive joystick controls for operator comfort and full control. Low noise, reduced emissions, and high climbing ability make the 600E+ both eco-friendly and powerful. Designed for modern resorts, the PistenBully 600E+ redefines snow grooming by combining innovation, performance, and sustainability, delivering perfectly groomed slopes while reducing environmental impact. Boss Snowplow SR Scout. The Boss Snowplow SR Scout is a compact, powerful machine built for clearing sidewalks, entryways, and tight winter spaces with ease. Powered by a 429cc Kohler gasoline engine, it drives a fully hydraulic 4-foot straight blade featuring float and deforce technology, keeping consistent downforce and scraping surfaces clean, even over uneven terrain. At just 34 inches wide, it navigates narrow pathways that larger plows can't reach, while its 4-wheel drive and zero-turn radius provide nimble maneuverability. Hydraulic lift, ergonomic controls, and durable electrical and hydraulic systems ensure reliable performance in harsh conditions. Additional features include LED work lights, reversible cutting edges, and a comfortable operator platform for extended use. Designed for professional snow removal in compact areas, the SR Scout combines strength, precision, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for sidewalks, driveways, and tight spaces. Its smart engineering and performance prove that small machines can deliver big results in winter operations. Overasen TV 1000. The Overasen TV 1000 performance line is a high-speed, self-propelled snowblower built for large airports and extreme winter conditions. Featuring a unique flying cab design, the driver's cabin can move in front of or behind the massive blower chute, giving optimal visibility for snow clearing, loading, and casting. Powered by 2 diesel engines producing a total of 1,000 horsepower, it handles snow depths from 1 cm up to 2 meters and clears over 7,500 tons per hour, throwing snow 40 to 50 meters away. With a clearing width of more than 3.4 meters and top speeds around 60 kilometers per hour, the TV 1000 combines speed, power, and efficiency. Hydraulic suspension ensures smooth operation at high speeds, while the performance line upgrade adds easier maintenance access and a modern engine compartment. Built for airports that can't afford delays, the TV 1000 delivers unmatched snow removal performance, transforming heavy snowfall into clear, safe runways quickly and reliably. Larue D35. The Larue D35 is a compact, loader-mounted snowblower built for high-productivity winter work on roads, airports, and job sites. Powered by a 173 horsepower Cummins F3.8 turbo diesel engine, it drives a serrated ribbon conveyor and a large impeller, clearing snow efficiently at up to 1,800 tons per hour. Despite its size, it can throw snow up to 150 feet, making it ideal for tight urban streets, ramps, and mountain roads. Versatile mounting options allow it to be truck or loader mounted, while LED work lights, hydraulic chute rotation, joystick controls, and Hardox reinforced components ensure durability and precise operation. The ribbon conveyor design pulls snow in easily, handling heavy, dense snow with ease. Built for compact efficiency without sacrificing power, the D35 combines high throwing distance, industrial-grade construction, and reliable performance. It's a small but mighty machine that dominates heavy winter jobs, proving that size doesn't limit snow clearing capability. Overasen RSC 250. The Overasen RSC 250 performance line is a compact runway snow sweeper built for airports and winter operations. Mounted on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and powered by a 350 horsepower MTU 6R1000 engine, it clears taxiways, aprons, and runways with high speed and precision. Measuring 9.8 meter long, 3.8 meter tall, with a 4 meter clearing width, it can sweep up to 260,000 square meter per hour and blow snow at 150 meter per second. Its flexible brush system, with automatic adjustment and optional steel or poly bristles, keeps surfaces clean even in tough weather. Advanced composite materials, smart aerodynamics, and easy access service points make maintenance simple and efficient. Capable of speeds up to 65 km per hour, the RSC 250 combines maneuverability, power, and durability in a compact design. Ideal for airports needing precise, fast snow clearing, it turns deep snow into safe, clear surfaces with unmatched efficiency and reliability, proving compact machines can deliver huge performance in winter conditions.